How to create PDF files in Python. I'm working on a project which takes some images from user and then creates a PDF file which contains all of these images. Is there any way or any tool to do this in Python? E.g. to create a PDF file, or EPS, PS, from image 1 plus image 2 plus image 3, PDF file.
Here is my experience after following the hints on this page. PyPDF can't embed images into files. It can only split and merge. Source, Ctrl+F through its documentation page. Which is great, but not if you have images that are not already embedded in a PDF. PyPDF 2 doesn't seem to have any extra documentation on top of PyPDF. Report lab is very extensive. User guide, however, with a bit of Ctrl+F and grepping through its source, I got this. First, download the Windows installer and source. Then try this on Python command line. All I needed is to get a bunch of images into a PDF, so that I can check how they look and print them. The above is sufficient to achieve that goal. Report lab is great, but would benefit from including hello worlds like the above prominently in its documentation.
I suggest PyFkit. Installation guide. It creates PDF from HTML files. I chose it to create PDF in 2 steps from my Python pyramid stack. Rendering server-side with Mako templates with the style and markup you want for your PDF document. Executing PyFkit from _string the ... method by passing the rendered HTML as parameter. This way you get a PDF document with styling and images supported. You can install it as follows. Using pip install PyFkit. You will also need to install wtltop on Ubuntu.
I suggest PyPDF. It works really nice. I also wrote a blog post some while ago, you can find it here.
FPDF works well for me. Much simpler than Report Lab and really free. Works with UTF-8.
You can try this Python for PDF generation, or you can try PyQt, which has support for printing to PDF. Python for PDF generation. The portable document format, PDF, lets you create documents that look exactly the same on every platform. Sometimes a PDF document needs to be generated dynamically, however, and that can be quite a challenge. Fortunately, there are libraries that can help. This article examines one of those for Python. Read more at this URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.